Hi everyone, so I'm back and today I'm going to show you how I do my magic circle. So the magic circle is quite a tricky little bird to get a hold of, but a hang of, but once you get it, it's like the only thing you want to do. So what I do first is I grab the tail of the yarn and I wrap it around my two fingers here like this and make an X, and then I grab the working yarn and kind of just hold it right here with this finger so it doesn't move around. And then I grab my hook and see the tail here, how it went underneath right there, and put my hook underneath that, and then I'm going to hook onto the working yarn, pull it over, twist, and that's the first part of the magic circle. And then to actually make it into a working magic circle, you come behind and grab or hook onto the working yarn back here and pull through like that. And then if you pull onto the tail, the little loop here becomes small. And you're going to be thinking like, yeah, like she actually made a magic circle right now. That's going to be all tangled up. Well, let me show you the magic. No knots, no tangles. That was a magic circle, people. So, let's do this again. It's kind of hard to see what the heck I'm doing here while I'm trying to film with my phone. There's the magic circle. And then I'm just going to show you how it looks when it's doing its magic. So this tail should be easily, you can easily pull it and tighten it like this and close the hole there. And then I like to tuck in my tail, so I work in the tail. When I start working in the round here, I tuck it in behind and hide it like that. And look at that. There's no hole in the middle there. And I just continue to work the tail into my work here so that the magic circle doesn't unravel, and so that I don't have to, cut or tuck in any ends later. So I'm probably not doing my best work right here, because you can see how that's not perfect right there because I can't really see what I'm doing. So I hope you enjoyed watching me do my magic circle. Hopefully it was somewhat helpful. I have included the magic circle in one of my absolute beginner videos that I have on my channel. So this was more kind of like a quick impromptu version of that. And if you're still struggling with it, if you want even a more detailed video on it, please let me know in the comments and I'll work on that. Until next time, bye.